Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, Python decorators. What is Python decorators? We'll see more in this video session. Watch it.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discussing about more interesting feature of Python programming language, that is decorators. The decorators is a functionality which is added in Python language. We can use to existing function and method. Simply we can decorate to the our new function, and we can have an existing function what is having all the properties. That is the simplicity. And also we can call it as this is a type of is meta programming. The part of programming language tries to modify another part of the program, which is the compiling at the compile time. All right, this is the way. And simply you must comfortable if you want to understand and know about the decorators in Python. You have a good idea about the complete basics of the Python to understand how to run the program, how to use the object oriented classes and instantiation of the class and object, how to calling the methods and all. Then only you will be having a good idea about to understand in the decorators. I will show you a simple, very much example how to use decorators and use of the decorators. We will see by defining a simple function called, it is a make sum. Name of the function, it is a make sum, and one parameter I am passing is an efficiency function. Call it as an efficiency. All right, and within this another function I have there is an inner method. We can call it as terminate. That is says that print. So, yep, I am decorated. Here I have written here, and function efficiency function also we can call it as another function also we can call it as, and return the value what I want to return INNR. I'm returning from here. Simply just a keyword return. As till you know this, how to write this definition of the function class, and one more function if I called ordinary method I have implemented here, and print the statement is print, yeah, I am ordinary. That is decorated is an ordinary. All right, and now see here, if I called ordinary, here it will be prints straight away the ordinary. I am ordinary, it's calling simply, and I can also initiate to the object. I can call it this one. That is that there is no problem at all, as you know till now. Otherwise, and if I call awesome, awesome, that equal to what is the function name? It is make awesome. Function called here make awesome ordinary. We can say that simply passing this parameter, and awesome. If you print here awesome, now you will see here what is awesome. So, yes, take an awesome. Now print here. See, I'm ordinary, I'm decorated, I'm ordinary. If you call this function, it is printing what it is printing, and passing this is also no. Hence, these two are going to be printing. I am decorated, I am ordinary, it is printing when you are calling awesome. This function. If I stop here, you will clearly understand. See, now run this. I am calling this method, and it's printing I am decorated, and ordinary I am printing. Is an I am ordinary. Thus, two lines is going to be printing here. Have you seen here? As till you know, it's a very clear, like object-oriented programming, calling the functions, methods, invoking the objects, and all. In facility, in like without calling all these things, calling this method without calling all these instantiation declarations and all. Simply you make it as here in @make_awesome. That's it. The function which is I'm calling from here, I have a declared @make_awesome of the name of this method. Have you seen here? And now I simply call the ordinary, what it will be doing. The ordinary function I'm calling. Now run this. See, again I am decorated and I am ordinary. Both, if I call this method, it's using instead of this, like this one also is calling and again this one also is calling. This is the beauty is available in decorated. Like decorated, we have enough facilities, many of them. Try to refer with the Python programming language library, which are for updates and all. Hope you understand.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, find the description below. My details are available if any tutorial and requirements. Thank you.